Put it right under it, let it get hot. It's gonna start smoking. There you go. Get enough solder on there, it's all good. Just like that. Soldered together. And then we will take this shrink wrap, boom, slide it right over. Boom, just like that. And then we got the heat gun. And we will heat it, seal that up nice. Just like that. Let's do that with the rest of the wires and put it back in. Just pulled the throttle by wire all the way through. Got it coming out of here now, ready to put back onto the bike. It's getting there. I'm gonna do that now. Snaps right into here under the gas tank. Just like that. Now we got 16s on the soft tail, 16-inch apes. Now we're gonna flip this up. I'm gonna take this and this gets snapped right into here. Let's see if I can get it right into there. Boom. That's good. That's for your gas tank here. This hose, that goes for your... Got the tank on with the cluster. Super easy. Basically just this 1/2-inch bolt. Loosen it up. You got one harness under here. And then that breather that I was saying for the gas tank. Put this back on. We got to do the crossover still, which I'll leave for last. The gas tank's empty, so you just have to connect that, but I need to get a hose clamp. So we're on to the intake right now, putting that back together. And now that's just like that. We got the air filter back on, tank on, cluster on, bars on. Now for all the cable extensions next, clutch, brake, all that.